First, we take a piece of cardboard, ice cream stick and glue gun. Let's cut this portion with the scissors. Now attach the ice cream sticks with the cardboard. For this I am using glue gun, but if you don't have glue gun, then you can use other adhesive for attaching the sticks. We have used 25 to 30 sticks approximately. Now we take a small piece of cardboard and roll the jute thread on the cardboard like this. Okay, it is done now. Now we take craft paper to make the flowers. Cut it like triangle shape and then fold it like this. Then unfold it and again fold it like this. And attach the both end with glue, just like this. Now attach a thread for hanging it on the wall. Then attach the top and flowers on it. Now we are using green color electric wire for making the stem of the flowers. It is absolutely ready. Let's hang it on the wall.